Before USDC became a $30 billion global stablecoin, and way before governments even started whispering about digital dollars, one man already had the blueprint. His name is Jeremy Allaire, the internet entrepreneur who dared to ask, why can't money move at the speed of the internet? Welcome to DCA CRYPTO, where we explore the builders shaping Web3. Today, we uncover how Jeremy Allaire and Circle built one of the most trusted foundations in the entire crypto ecosystem. Jeremy Allaire isn't your typical crypto bro. In fact, before Bitcoin even existed, he was already busy building the Internet of Information. Back in the 1990s, he founded Brightcove, a pioneering company that helped power online video before YouTube was even a thing. He understood how to move data seamlessly across the globe. But Jeremy saw something bigger, something that was still stuck in the past. He looked at the financial system and posed a simple yet revolutionary question. If data can flow globally in seconds, why can't money? That single question ignited a spark that would become his life's mission: to make money programmable, open, and completely borderless. He wasn't just thinking about faster payments. He was envisioning a fundamental upgrade to the very concept of value transfer for the digital age. In 2013, long before stablecoins were a mainstream concept, Jeremy co-founded Circle. On the surface, it might have looked like just another Bitcoin payment startup trying to make it easier to buy and sell with crypto. But underneath, a much grander vision was taking shape. Circle's real mission was to build a bridge, a solid, reliable connection between the world of traditional finance and the explosive innovation happening in the crypto-native space. This wasn't about choosing one over the other. It was about connecting them. Years of groundwork culminated in 2018 when, in partnership with Coinbase, Circle launched USDC. This wasn't just another token. It was designed from the ground up for trust. It was a fully backed, transparent, and regulated stablecoin. Unlike many of its competitors who operated in the shadows, Circle threw open the doors. They committed to radical transparency, proving that every single USDC was backed one-to-one with audited reserves held in top-tier financial institutions. This commitment to openness and accountability wasn't just a feature. It became Circle's greatest competitive advantage in a market hungry for reliability. But Circle didn't stop there. Having a trusted stablecoin was just the first step. Jeremy's ambition was for USDC to become the digital backbone of global finance, the new rails on which value could move. To achieve this, he knew he couldn't do it alone. So he began forging alliances with some of the biggest names in the world. Visa and Mastercard, the giants of global payments, integrated USDC into their networks, opening the door for crypto-native payments at millions of merchants. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, partnered with Circle to manage its USDC reserves, lending unparalleled institutional credibility. Even major banks, once skeptical of crypto, began exploring how to use USDC for instant 24/7 settlements, bypassing the slow, archaic systems of the past. Circle wasn't trying to burn down the old system or replace banks. It was doing something far more strategic. It was upgrading the plumbing of money itself, making it faster, more efficient, and ready for the 21st century. Jeremy's ultimate vision goes far beyond just stablecoins. He calls it the Internet of Value, a world where money, data, and identity move as freely, securely, and globally as information does today. Take a moment and just imagine this future. Imagine sending $10,000 to a relative across the world as easily as you send a photo from your phone, instantly, with near zero fees. Or picture a world where developers can build smart contracts that move capital across borders automatically, without the need for slow, expensive middlemen. This isn't just about convenience. It's about empowerment. It's about giving individuals and businesses the tools for true financial freedom, unlocking economic opportunities that were previously impossible. This is the world Circle is building, a new layer of the internet dedicated entirely to the seamless exchange of value. When the crypto markets crashed, when the hype faded and the tourists went home, Circle stayed steady. It weathered the storms that wiped out other giants. Why? Because its foundation was never built on speculation or fleeting trends. It was built on trust. It was built on the unglamorous but essential principles of audited reserves, strict legal compliance, and consistent, transparent leadership. In a space often defined by volatility and chaos, Jeremy Allaire built something remarkably rare, a brand rooted in credibility. He proved that you can innovate at the edge of technology while still honoring the timeless principles of stability and trust. This is the key lesson from Circle's journey. So, the next time you send, receive, or hold USDC, remember what it represents. It's not just another token in your wallet. It's the tangible result of a vision that was decades in the making, a vision to finally make money as open, accessible, and fast as the internet itself. This is DCA CRYPTO, where we decode the builders of our new financial era. If you found this story inspiring, make sure to subscribe, stay curious, and keep building your future, one cycle at a time. Thanks for watching.